it is question number 23. So that the lines do not intersect. The given lines are x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 3 and equal z can be written as z minus 0 by 1. And second equation is x plus 1 by 5, y minus 2 by 1 and z equal 2. Z equal 2 means z minus 2 equal 0, and we get z minus 2 equal 0 if we put z minus 2 by 0. Then these are two equations. Let it is equal lambda and it is equal mu. Let P and Q are any point on line 1 and line 2. Then the coordinate of point P is any point on line 1 is 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 1 and lambda, means 2 lambda, 2 into lambda plus 1 means we get the value of x. Value of y is 3 lambda minus 1 and value of z is lambda. Coordinate of point Q is coordinate of point Q is 5 mu minus 1, we get x, mu plus 2 and 2, 0 into mu plus 2 which is 2. If possible, let the given line intersect. We have to show that do not intersect. If possible, let intersect. Then P and Q coincide for some particular value of lambda and mu. P and Q coincide for some mu. Means if these two lines intersect, then for some particular value of lambda and mu we get a fixed point. Means at this point the value of 2 lambda plus 1 equal 5 mu minus 1, because these are intersection point, then intersection point is only one. 2 lambda plus 1 equal 5 mu minus 1. 3 lambda coordinate of y is equal coordinate of y and coordinate of z equal coordinate of z. Means we get at this point phi 2 lambda plus 1 equal 5 mu minus 1, first equation. Second one is 3 lambda minus 1 equal mu plus 2 and lambda equal 2. Put lambda equal to in second equation to get mu. It is 1, it is 2 and it is 3, because we have let equation 1 is there. Put lambda equal to in equation first. We get 2 into 2 plus 1 equal 5 mu minus 1. Then 5 equal 5 mu minus 1. 4 plus 1 5. Mu equals 6 by 5. Mu equals 6 by 5. Put these value in equation second. It must be satisfied by these value. 3 into 2 minus 1, 6 by 3 lambda minus 1. We get 3 into 2 minus 1 means 5, and mu plus 2, 6 by 5 plus 2, 16 by 5. We get 3 lambda minus 1 is not equal to mu plus 2. Then these lines do not intersect. If these two terms are equal, then these lines intersect.